Hello everyone and welcome to online English class. This is level 2, lesson 20. So remember, next week for me, so the week of June 15th, you have a test. The test is not my test. I don't make the test, so I don't know what is on the test, but I will help you study. So in lesson 20, we are going to review everything in the book. So let's get started. Hey, welcome to online English class. This is level 2, lesson 20, which starts on June 10th. So, on the week of June 15th, so next week from now, you will have a test. I don't know what the test is about. So, today we are going to study everything. Everything we learned in the past 3 or 4 months since January, we're going to study. So, part 1. In this video, we're learning about money, time words, the past, and occupations. You are probably watching this video between June 10th and June 21st. This video was filmed on June 7th. So let's get started. The warm-up. The day is Sunday. The date is June 7th, 2020. The date in numbers is 06, 07, 2020. Where the month is June, the date is the 7th, and the year is 2020. Let's look at the weather. So, today is Sunday at 1 p.m. in the afternoon. The weather is sunny. The current temperature is 84 degrees Fahrenheit. The precipitation or chance of rain is 0. Humidity is 63. The wind is 6 miles per hour. If we look at the daily forecast, we can see that on Sunday, the low temperature is 70 and the high temperature is 89 degrees. All right, so the weather is sunny. There is a 0% chance of rain because the precipitation is 0. So today we don't even need probably. We can just say it will not rain today. The humidity is how much water there is in the air. The humidity today is 63%. 63%. So, if a humidity is around 50%, it's normal. If the humidity is around 100%, it's very, very wet. So in the last video, the humidity was 99%. It was very wet. Today, the humidity is 63%. So this is about normal. Is today windy? The wind is going at 6 miles per hour. Remember, miles per hour is speed. We measure our driving speed in miles per hour. 6 miles per hour is about how fast you can walk. You can walk at about 6 miles per hour. So, today is not windy. The wind is very slow, so it's not windy. Today, the temperature range is between 70 and 89 degrees. So the temperature range is from 70 to 89 degrees. The current temperature is 84 degrees. Remember, the current temperature is always between the low temperature and the high temperature. It feels hot. Yesterday, the weather was. Yesterday, the weather was sunny. Tomorrow, the weather, we can say, is going to be. Tomorrow, the weather is going to be cloudy. Okay, so let's start by reviewing money. So we have money here, we have coins, and we have bills. I wrote them here for you, coins and bills. These are coins and these are bills. Bills are paper money. So cash is coins and bills. So if you pay with cash, you're paying with coins and bills. Another word for coins is change. Sometimes we call little amounts of money change. So let's see, this is a penny. Oh, also, I should tell you. So what do we call this? This is a dollar sign. What about this? This is a cent sign. How many cents are in $1? There are 100 cents in $1. So, $1 equals 100 cents. So, we write the dollar sign on the left of the number. We write the cent sign on the back, on the right of the number. On the dollar sign, we have a period here. So this means the left of the period is dollars and the right of the period is cents. So this amount of money, the period is right here. There's always two numbers to the right of the period, the dot. On the left is dollars, on the right is cents. So this is $1.25. Now, this is a penny. How much is a penny worth? A penny is worth 1 cent. Or we can write it as $0.01. A nickel. A nickel is worth 5 cents. $0.05. A dime, 10 cents. Quarter, 25 cents. Half dollar, nobody uses the half dollar. I never saw the half dollar before. A $1 bill, $5 bill, $20, $10 bill, and $20 bill. All right, so if you go shopping, you need to pay the total. The total is how much money you everything costs together. So if the total is this, what's the total? The total is $125.67. We can also say 125.67. This is how Americans like to say money. 125.67. The last two numbers are the cents, so we know. It's 125.67, or we can say 125.67 cents. What about this total? $89.62. Or we can say 89.62. $89.62. 89.62. Okay, now let's learn about time words. We have 4 time words we need to know for the test. We have at, in, on, and ago. So let's start with at. We use the word at when we have a time. So we say at 1:30, at 11:45, or at night. We can also use at 2:30 p.m. So 2:30 p.m. is in the afternoon. At 10:59 a.m. At 10:59 a.m. is the morning. So we use at for times and the word night. The word in. We use in for parts of the day. So in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. These are parts of the day. So we use the word in. Pay attention because night is not a part of the day. We say at night. But for the morning, the afternoon, and the evening, we use in. We also use in for months. So we say in May or in June. And we use in for years. In 2015, in 2025, we use in. Next, we have on. We use on for days. So for any day of the week, we say on. On Friday, on Monday, on the weekend, on the weekdays. We use on for days of the week. We also use on for the date. So we say on February 23rd or on February 23rd, 2020. We use on for days and for the date. And finally, we have the word ago. Ago. So we use ago in the past. Ago is always in the past. And we always need to know how long ago. 2 years ago? 2 weeks ago? 3 hours ago? 5 days ago? 1 week ago? So we need to know how long in the past. So we know to use ago because before ago it tells us how many days, weeks, or months, or years. So it's always a number and then the time. Like the unit of time. So day, minute, year. So let's finish this trying to use at, in, on, or ago. So 3 weeks. Because this is a number of weeks or a length of time, we know this is ago. They bought their car 3 weeks ago. When did Lou and Angela get married? 4 years. Again, this is a number of years. So we know that this is 4 years ago. When did Angela have a baby? 8:20 a.m. Because this is a time, we use the word at. She had a baby yesterday at 8:20 a.m. This one, it's only Tuesday. Tuesday is a day, so we use the word on. He began his new job on Tuesday. December 15th. December 15th is a date, so we use on. He moved to the United States on December 15th. 5 years. 5 years is a length of time, so we know that this needs the word ago. She came to the United States 5 years ago. March. March is a month, so we know that we need to use the word in. She took the citizenship exam in March. And the last question is June. June is also a month. She registered to vote in June. Okay, so now we're going to be talking about occupations and job duties. Remember, job duties are tasks, things you need to do at work. So let's see. Right now I am on page 103, page 103. So we have 9 pictures here, and at the bottom we have 2 different lists. The first list is job duties. The second list is the job. So let's identify these jobs. Number 1. Okay, so the job duty is repair cars. So what's the name of the job for someone who repairs cars? A person who repairs cars is called a mechanic. 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 A mechanic repairs cars. Okay. Number 2. Number 2, we say this is operate large machines. Operate is another word for use or drive. So this person needs to use or drive large machines. What kind of person needs to use large machines? A construction worker. So, construction worker. Okay, so I want you to identify all 9 of these jobs and then tell me what duties do they have. Okay, so I also wrote a couple of jobs that are not on this list. So we have a plumber. A plumber repairs sinks, pipes, so toilets, showers, a washing machine, anything with water, a plumber can repair. An electrician. Electrician needs to repair electric appliances and lights. So they need to fix the lights, any appliances that use electricity, the wires in the house. They need to fix electric appliances and lights. So now, if someone asks you, what was your job before? Or what was your job in your country? You can say, I was a mechanic. I was a construction worker. They can ask you, what did you do? I repaired cars. I operated large machines. I handled money. What does handle money mean? Handle money means you count the money and you give the money back if there's too much money. Or you say, your total is $20 and they give you $25, then you give back $5. You handle money. So, what was your job in your country? I was a plumber. What did you do? I repaired sinks and pipes. So that's how you use the past tense when you talk about your job before now. So something you will probably see on the test is work history or employment history. Remember, employment is another word for work. Employment and work, same thing. Employee, the employee is the person working. The employee is the person who works. Is employer spelled with an R? Oh, I don't know. Okay, so the employer is the person who pays you to work. Your employer is your company, the person who pays you to work, or maybe your manager. your work history or your employment history is the jobs you had in the past. Your work history is the jobs you had in the past. So let's make an example of a work history. Okay, so let's look at the work history for Jenny Espinoza. She has 2 different jobs here. So let's look at the first one. Employer, Walmart. Position, or her job, sales associate, cashier. And then under the position, we can write the duties of the job. So she handles money, she helps customers, she cleans the store. That's the duties of a sales associate. The dates. When did she work here? She worked here from July 2017 to September 2019. Her second job. Employer, Nissan car dealership. Position, salesperson. Okay, what are the duties of a salesperson? They sell cars, they help customers. That's it, they sell cars. Dates, when did she work here? From December 2019 to present, to now. So this is her current job. She's working here now. So this is the work history for Jenny Espinoza.